Bargain hunters on Amazon aiming to upgrade their gaming PCs with the Ryzen 7 7780X3D were likely thrilled to see the processor available for just $349 last week. Unfortunately, the high demand caused the price to climb rapidly. However, today brings another chance to grab AMD's previous generation CPU for $399, marking the second lowest price we've seen on Amazon. The surge in demand has propelled the Ryzen 7 7780X3D to the top spot as the best-selling desktop processor, solidifying its status as an outstanding upgrade for your gaming rig. Unfortunately, those hoping to snag AMD's latest flagship gaming processor, the Ryzen 7 7980X3D, at a bargain price might be disappointed, as it is currently priced steeply, starting at $787.99. For those in need of a powerful CPU from AMD's Ryzen 9000 series, the Ryzen 9990X comes highly recommended. Priced at just $309.99, this processor not only comes at a discount but also boasts impressive specifications, including a 12-core, 24-thread configuration, 76 MB of L3 cache, and support for DDR5 RAM clocked at 5600 MHz, ensuring smooth performance without bottlenecks. On the other hand, the Ryzen 7 7780X3D offers even more L3 cache at 96 MB, providing a significant advantage in the latest AA games and sports titles. That said, be warned, the latest discount is likely to spark a rush among buyers, so you'll need to act fast if you want to secure the Ryzen 7 7780X3D for yourself. Don't let yourself get sidetracked by the abundance of discounted motherboards, CPU coolers, CSDs, RAM, and other components, as these are widely available. Stay focused on your goal, and you'll have a better chance of claiming this sought-after gaming processor.